Hello and welcome back to my channel and the mobile recording studio that I like to call my car, which has been supplied to me by the glorious people over at Splend Australia. If you want to get into ride sharing and don't have a brand new car and you have, I don't know, something wrong with your credit history, or you just don't feel like having to pay all the expenses of a new car up front, these are the guys to go and see. My moustache is bothering me. I'm gonna have to trim that at some point. It's freaking irritating. Now, I received a new package in the mail, so you know what this means. It's unboxing time, ladies and gentlemen. I have a feeling I know exactly what this is, but I'm gonna have to open the box first, the packaging box. Oh, how much I hope I didn't just show everyone my address. I don't think I did. I don't think it's on the front. It's not on the front. It's all good. All good. All good. You guys don't know where I live. Which I'm glad about. I don't need people rocking up to my house, all 151 of my subscribers. I think that's how many I have right now. Yes, I was 100% right. For some reason they shipped it in a box that doesn't quite fit it, but it makes it easy to get out. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the only product that used to be called the Google Home Mini. It's the Google Nest Mini. Right, and it comes in this nice white finished box. Second generation apparently, because the first generation was the Home Mini. It's actually quite weighty. How much does the actual box weigh? I'd say it weighs about 3 kilos. Anyway, this is the Nest Mini, chalk coloured. We're going to be unboxing this baby today. Hell yeah, I've been so excited about this the last couple of weeks because I got this thing for free from YouTube. If you have a YouTube Plus, what is it called, a YouTube music subscription, they will send you out one of these, or at least they did last year. It was a bit of a promotion. It just took this thing forever to turn up because I ordered it over Christmas. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, without the plastic on. This box feels very suave. It's got it's like a matte finish without the plastic on. And damn moustache. Anyway, let's listen to that satisfying sound. All right, now on the side we have all of the different apps that can be used with. Actually, it's not even all of them, it's most of them. I've already got a few of these things at home, but this one's mine. This one's going in my room. The others belong to my sister's family. So it gives you all the different instructions you can give it for certain things. It says YouTube Music and Spotify. You can go, hey Google, play some jazz. Don't actually play jazz right now, phone, because I need you. All right. You can access the Google Calendar. It says, remind me to pick up the cake at 5 p.m. on Friday. Google Duo, which is what you use to make phone calls. However, you can also hook up your Google Home network to make phone calls from your actual Telstra number. You have to be on Telstra for it to work, though. It doesn't do any other carriers for some reason. So it's compatible with Philips Hue and a couple of other smart lights. It's got Netflix and Google Assistant. You can also watch Stan and all those other streaming things on it if you have a Google Chromecast attached to your TV like I have. Let's get into it. Let's get into the contents of the actual box. There you can see the Home Mini sitting there, and it's oh shit, I dropped it. I hope it's not broken now. Anyway, there's the Home Mini. It's got a spot on the back for a nail or a hook that you can hang it from the wall for some reason. Why would you hang one of these from the wall? You can't really hide it when it's hanging on the wall. And you know, there's your mic power switch if you want to mute it so that the government's not listening to you anymore, and your power inlet. I thought it had a micro USB inlet, but apparently or micro USB slot, whatever you want to call it, but apparently it just has a regular DC charger. Round one. Okay, not that it's a charger, this thing doesn't have a battery. let's get further into the box. We're going to pull out the middle bit now. Oh, I love the sound of that. And what do we have under here? It's the instruction manual. You know what I'm going to do with this, right? Bye-bye. This is pretty cool though. It doesn't really do anything, but it's just the holder, but it feels kind of nice. Listen to the sound of that. Brand new plastic. Moving along, we'll now open what I can only assume contains the power cord. Yep, there's the plug, and oh geez, it doesn't actually. What the hell? It's not a USB one like the others we have. But look, the plug's got a nice little Google logo in the top. I don't know if you can see that, but there we go. And I have the lead that's like 500 kilometers long. If I undo it, which I'm not going to do right now. I'm tempted to, but that thing's freaking long. Look how many loops that has. So, all in all, that is the unboxing of the Google Nest Mini. I had to look back at the box to remind myself of what it's changed its name to, because it's not the Home Mini anymore. It's now the Nest Mini. Don't know why, but it just is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please press the like button down there and the subscribe button all the way down there. And you will get fresh unboxing videos like this fairly regularly. I try and do it as often as I can, but obviously I can't be buying new technology every week. I also have a Patreon page, which I'll try and link in the description. If you're feeling keen to donate, and just know that those donations are going to go straight to the next video, straight to the next object that I order. Whatever weird random stuff I happen to find online. Usually I review tech that's kind of a bit obscure, but this time I have not, because I was just really excited about this thing arriving. This is my one. Mine. Thank you very much. Hope you guys have a good day. Goodbye.